Hi folks, Gino Gruber here of Chico Web Design. One of the questions that should be asked but isn't asked is the importance of marketing your website. Now people ask about SEO, which is search engine optimization, making your website found, and every web developer is going to tell you that that is what they do and they can do that for your website. And they're going to do a couple things that will help it. But what we found is most website designers don't really understand SEO. Most website design companies you've got designers that can make beautiful sites, but they don't necessarily understand marketing. Since I come from a marketing background, I've built a team here that understands that more important than the looks of your site, although we produce beautiful sites, is how that site's going to attract customers to your business. So one of the ways we do this is through the site's architecture. We have a user interface, a user experience expert on board that comes with an extensive background in this, worked for a big company, international company, and they just measured constantly performance of pages and how customers interact with it. So before we design a site, we design the wireframe. We understand the functions. You're going to communicate to us what you want from your site, and then we're going to structure it so that in a way that's going to help a customer flow through it to help you. And then we bring it to design and let the designers make that structure beautiful. The other thing we do is the search engine optimization. And I don't have my designers do that or my programmers do that. I actually have Google certified experts. I don't want to give away clients, but there's some keywords I could give you that if you typed them, I promise you no matter where you are in the country, this business would pop up in the top 3. Now having that kind of experience, we spend the time with your site setting it up so that it will be found on the search engines. And again, this is included in the cost of most sites. Some people say, I don't have the budget for that. And we back it out. If you just want the site and you might have your own SEO expert, that's okay. And just so you know, that's usually about $1,200 of the site is just setting up the search engine functionality of it. Because once again, if your site can't be found, what's the point of having it? Anyway, another element to marketing your site, a question we should get asked is, the copy that's in your site, it needs to be persuasive. Now, we will help you with that. Most businesses write their own copy, and then, we influence it by saying, look, let's make it a little more conversational, depending on the product. If it's a very high-tech, you're selling a product to scientists, for instance, you might have one language. If you're selling dresses, you might have another language. And then that also ties with the search engine optimization. If you let your search engine optimization guys write your copy, no one's going to want to read it. And if you write your copy so that it's going to persuade a customer to like your business and choose you for their services, it's likely not going to help the SEO. So we really work hard to make a perfect blend of that, and we have a lot of great success with it. So these are things that you should really consider when you're getting your website, and I hope you let us do work for you. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.